Welcome to Lecture Farm. Today in this video we will share about fixing this uh, chicks which have spread leg due to some problem in incubation. It is not due to any kind of disease, but it is due to problems in the incubation process. It can be fixed easily. So what we need is to take a soft thread, and we need to tie the both leg very loosely, but not to come out. See whether the leg can be freely move or not, and adjust the thread according to the size of the chicks. You need to fix the chick in very early days, that is the first day after the incubation. It will recover within 2-3 days. So you have to tie the both leg with a very soft thread. And cut the excess part of the thread. Check whether the chick can stand properly or not. It cannot stand properly, but the position, check the position. This can be done in any kind of chicks. This is guinea fowl kit, so adjust the length of the thread according to the chicks. And we have some turkey also. We already tied the turkeys. After this, put the chicks into a safe place. You can put with other chicks, but not in large number, and place them near the source of heat and food and clean water, so that they cannot walk properly this time, but let them put near the source of heat and the feed, so they can easily access to the. This video is taken on the second day. The chicks are hatched on Sunday and today is Monday, so we can see that the guinea fowl can actually start running. And other chicks, like this one is the turkey. You can see the turkey, the leg is not that in proper position, but it can stand by itself and it start running around, walking around, and it's improving. It is good to keep with other chicks because they will learn their behavior from other. If we keep them separately, then they might just sit in a same position, or they might have stress which they cannot properly recover. So after 3 or 4 days, we can check the we can check the condition of the chicks, whether they can work properly or not. If the condition is already improved, then we need to cut the rope. We also need to check the rope. If the condition is not that improved, then we have to check the condition of the thread, whether it's blocking any blood flow due to, if we tie it very tightly, then it will stop the blood flow. So we need to be very careful when we tie it. Now you can see the guinea fowl is 100% improved, and it can even jump down from here. This one is the turkey, so it's already improved, and now we can cut the thread. this silky, it had took out the thread by itself, and it's quite healthy and strong. It can run here and there. So this condition is nothing. We just need to take little care for them, so they can improve by themselves. We don't need any kind of vitamins or any kind of medicine to improve the leg condition. So I hope you enjoy and we learn how to fix this spread leg in chicks due to hatching problems. Thank you very much for watching.